In this video, I want to show you guys how you can use apps like Bolt, Cursor, or Repl.it to create your own web apps or websites really quickly. So in this session, we're going to look at bolt.new, which is the new kid on the block. I'm actually not sure how long they're around, but everyone's talking about them. I've been using Repl.it for a lot of my projects that I've been doing, and it's been absolutely amazing. But now we're going to go try out Bolt. What we're going to try to do is we're just going to use a short amount of time as possible and see what we can build. The initial idea that I have here is I just want to have a simple website where I have affiliate links set up for products and apps that I want to recommend. So this is the information we're going to give them, and we're going to see if we can take that to a level where it gets really simple for me to send an affiliate link, create a product page, and then link that into any kind of videos that I'm making. So we're going to go ahead and put that in right now. So what we're going to do is I have this Repl.it prompt maker that I've been using a lot of the time, and it's really good to help you structure your ideas and help put that in a prompt. So we're gonna go quickly and we're just gonna give it a voice message. I would like to create a simple landing page where I have a backend. This can be a backend via a chat like my WhatsApp or something like that, but to not overcomplicate things, we can also just have a simple admin backend, and I can input an affiliate link, and then it will use OpenAI or some other AI API to go scrape that website and that information on that website, and then create a product card on my landing page with my affiliate link. And initially, I just want a landing page where I have all these little product cards of different products and services that I want to recommend. I would like you to help me structure this idea and give me a prompt for this app. And now what this does, it's going to help me structure this in a way, since I'm not a programmer and I don't know exactly all the best way to structure this in a prompt. It will give me different project name, project description. Good, looks good. Cool. Let's see what happens with Bolt. Sounds good. Now it's gonna go set up the basics and the code. I actually like this approach. Looks really nice. Similar to Repl.it, but I guess maybe a little bit simpler than Repl.it itself. What happens with Repl.it a lot is it starts something and then it gets caught up. For example, it forgets that we need to do an admin interface or something like that, and then we'll have to go build that later. And what this bot did really well is it recognized all of the basic things that I need and started these up front, which I like a lot. Nice. I like this. I can automatically connect to my Supabase account. Wow, very nice. Using other tools like Repl.it or Cursor, I'd have to put in my API keys and find everything manually. So that's very nice. All right, so we added my billing details. Let's click confirm. Then we're upgraded on Supabase too. And you can use Supabase for free, by the way, if you've done a couple of projects, which we now have. I already have 2 projects that are running. Okay, cool. Now we should be able to go back and we can create a database for this project. I really like this setup. I really like that it's doing absolutely everything for me. That's showing how far these apps can go. A couple of months ago, this was not possible. You'd have to do so many things manually, and this took up so much time. And you see it still, even the AI is taking a lot of time to go through all this process of setting up the database, adding the authentication keys, and all of this stuff. So if you don't have to do this anymore, that's really a breeze. Now it's gonna go do some other things. We don't know exactly what. Admin area, home area, building out some cards. Seems like it's using React, Tailwind, all these things I don't understand properly, but hey, it's building an app for me. And right now, we're still on the free tier of Bolt. So I don't know how much free tier it's gonna give me. Okay, so we didn't manage to build the app on the free tier. So it will ask us to upgrade. And I mean, for 20 bucks a month, this is really nothing. And you'll probably use more once you start getting hooked by these products and you start building bigger things, which will quickly add up to credits. But I mean, this is really just insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just upgrade so that I can show you the final product of this app. All right, so this is done. So let's go back to our project. Okay, looks like the Supabase set up. Apply project management schema. Cool, that looks like it worked. So now let's try to have So, and this is how you basically go back and forth with these apps. If you're a developer, probably this will come second nature to you. If you're not, you'll just have to go back and forth in real language. It's like, hey, this login doesn't work, and it will go and figure it out for you. And if you get hung up at a point that it doesn't, you've tried and tried and tried and it doesn't get you the result that you're looking for, then you might need to look at it at a more analytical way, and you'll need to tear apart the problem and ask it to give you a step-by-step approach or overview, and take that maybe into another AI to better understand what's going on. So let's see if the login works now. Sign up. Okay, so we have a product chat. So let's go add an affiliate link. Great. Wow, very cool. Look at that. Now let's see if we can give it screenshots. All right, so now that the redirect is working, let's go fix the AI agent to go add all this information manually. All right, very nice. Okay, very cool. So that looked like it worked. It pulled in the image. I love it. Now, I'm not sure why it needs to rewrite the entire code base every time we change something. This is what I like a little bit more about Repl.it, for example. Each time we change something, it just will go change those lines in the code needed to be changed. All right, so now we have scale with AI. We have our admin dashboard. Now I want to change one more thing. Can we automate? All right, so let's go check that out. Done. Love it. Okay, so now we can go delete this one. Good. Okay, so let's delete this one too. Let's delete one of these, and then we'll add one more here. That is insane. Let's check this out. Wow, very cool. And it added one click. Wow, I love this. And that's it, guys. We successfully deployed it. App is working. There's a couple of things we need to work on yet, but right now we have it live on this URL. So I guess we can map any kind of domain that we buy to this URL as a CNAME, and then we can have it live on any URL. So I'll be building this out. I'll link the bolt in this app as well and include it in the description so you can go check it out. And if you have any comments or any feedback, let me know what I should do next, and I'll go continue building.